If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to improve your skills and to stay ahead of the curve. That's why I wanted to share the 9 essential resources that every manager, including you, needs in order to be successful in 2023. Whether you're a new or experienced manager, these resources will take your career to the next level. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, just an FYI, in order of the video, I will be linking all 9 resources in the description. And as a heads up, some are affiliate links, which will add 0 extra cost to you, but it does go a long way to supporting this channel. Jumping into the first resource is Skillshare. This is an online learning platform that has literally thousands of courses on business, on management and leadership, and I've even got one on there. So as a leader, it's up to you to identify areas where you need improvement, where you can expand your knowledge, learn from experts, and connect with other learners. And then you need to be able to apply what you learned to your work. The cool thing about Skillshare is that you can do this in the comfort of your own home. The next resource is Jasper AI. Now, if you're looking to streamline your workflow and get more done in less time, Jasper AI is your new best friend. This amazing tool uses AI to help you make better meeting notes, create action items, and even generate summaries and follow-up emails. I personally use it to make my emails sound smart. Not that I'm stupid. I mean, I have some great ideas to share, but Jasper just helps me share them in a better, more put together manner. So this is like a virtual assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you crush your to-do list. And best of all, it's super easy to use. Again, I can use it. So you don't need to waste time fiddling around with these weird, difficult softwares. Next up is the Manager's Ultimate Launchpad. This pre-made template package has everything you need to get your team on track and to keep them there. Whether you're setting team goals, tracking progress, or giving feedback, this package has your back. Plus, it's fully customizable so that you can make it your own and tailor it to your unique needs. With the Ultimate Manager's Launchpad, you'll be able to hit the ground running and lead your team to success. And if your company doesn't have such forms, such templates for you to use, stop scouring the internet to try to find something usable. Grab this pack and be organized, and more importantly, be consistent in your documentation. The next resource that every manager needs is an online community, because it's time to be part of the club, literally. And you get involved in a community that can help you grow. Whether it's a professional organization, it's a networking group, or an online community, finding like-minded managers to connect with can be and is a game changer. You're able to share ideas, get advice, and discuss the joys and challenges of leading a team. Plus, you never know who you might meet and what opportunities may arrive from being part of this community or that community. The next resource is Zoom. If you're not using Zoom yet, I mean, what are you waiting for? Zoom is a video conferencing tool, and it's the best way to connect with your team no matter where they are in the world, and no matter if you're still in your pajamas. You can say goodbye to expensive, time-consuming travel and hello to instant face-to-face communication. Plus, you can record your meetings, share screens, and even have some cool virtual backgrounds, because I mean, who doesn't like to be sitting on the beach instead of in their home? Whether you're leading a team of 2 or 200, Zoom is the ultimate tool to keep everyone connected and on the same page. The next resource, and I really hope you're already part of this, but LinkedIn, because this is a professional social media platform, and it's the perfect place to connect with other managers, share ideas, and stay up to date on industry news. Plus, you can showcase your skills and experience and even look for new job opportunities. I'm not saying that this is something you have to do, but it's available. And let's not forget the joy of endless scrolling through motivational quotes and people holding get your coffee cups. I mean, they're just holding coffee cups, but you can get your coffee cup in the description below. With LinkedIn, you're able to expand your professional network, learn from others, and maybe even find your next career. When you jump on the site, make sure we link up. The next resource is Pocket, not this Pocket. The Pocket app is the perfect tool for busy managers who want to save and organize all the great content that comes across their computer screens during the day. With just a click, you can save articles, videos, and resources to read later. Plus, it's easy to search and categorize your saved content, so you can always find what you're looking for when you're looking for it. Next, this resource I find very important. Headspace. If you're feeling a little bit stressed out and overwhelmed, then it's time to get your head in the game. See, this is a meditation and mindfulness app, and it's the perfect tool to help busy managers who want to reduce stress, increase focus, and improve their overall well-being. With a variety of guided meditations and exercises, you can choose the perfect one to fit your mood and your schedule. With Headspace, you'll be able to lead your team with a clear and focused mind. The next resource you gotta have is Audible. When you are tired of endless spreadsheets and emails all day, you need to give your eyes a break and let your ears do the work. This audiobook app is the perfect tool for busy managers who want to keep learning and growing even when they're on the go. With thousands of titles to choose from, you can listen to the latest business bestsellers, classic management publications, and even indulge in a little bit of fiction. Plus, you can adjust the speed and bookmark your favorite parts so that you're really able to soak up the knowledge. And with Audible, you'll be able to expand your mind and find inspiration during even the most mundane tasks, like filling out those freaking reports. And if you need a great book to start with, which is free when you signed up, check out my personal friend and best-selling author of 4 books, David Burkus. You can grab his latest book, Lead from Anywhere, in the description. Now, overall, these 9 resources provide everything that you need to help you become a successful manager in 2023. Just think, with these 9 tools at your fingertips, your career potential is practically limitless. What these resources don't do is help you when employees undermine you. But in this video, that's all we discuss. So get your coffee, and I'll see you over there. Ciao.